Children, teachers, administrators, mixed with well-resourced classrooms, adequate tools, and a curriculum that caters to 21st century learning are the perfect ingredients for a successful academic year. Within that context, the government, through the Ministry of Education and Youth, is laying the foundation for a productive year ahead.
We're focusing on improving the infrastructure of our schools, governance, the legislative framework, the expansion of the use of information communication technology in schools, teacher training and professional development, among others.
Other improvements will be seen in the safety and security of our schools, in the installation of closed-circuit television CCTV cameras at the entrances of primary schools. At a recent tour of several institutions, Portfolio Minister Favour Williams assessed the school's readiness for the new term. Her findings: stakeholders are ready and raring to go. Minister Williams also shared how the ministry will ensure that the nation's children are prepared for the digital world.
We are committed to ensuring that our students, our teachers, and our schools have the enabling environment for the rapid build-out of the 21st century skills that are so required. Some of these include critical thinking, figuring things out, finding solutions to problems, creativity, seeing concepts in a different light, which leads to innovation, collaboration, getting students to work together, teaching them how to achieve compromise and get the best possible results from solving a problem, and communication, how to convey ideas effectively among different personality types in their various classes and communities. This commitment applies to all schools, public and private.
One-stop driver. Students in queue at the Transport Center in Kingston also had the opportunity to meet and greet the minister, who presented them with gift vouchers before sending them off to school. As Minister Williams closed out her tour, she paused to remind students that they matter.
Each of you possesses unique talents and abilities that have the potential to change the world. It is our responsibility to provide you, as the future leaders of the nation, with the tools and opportunities to strive.
Students, enjoy the new school year. Go for your goals and be your best self.